Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on voice isolation on iPhone. So if you are in a noisy environment or want to make sure only your voice is heard during a call, voice isolation can help it. So let me show you how you can turn it on. So first open the phone app on your iPhone, and once you have opened the app, you can simply dial your own phone number or you can call anyone else. And once you have called that, you should see something like calling and the username on the screen. So while on the call, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. And at the top, you'll see the phone controls. Tap on the voice isolation option and you can choose between automatic, standard, and voice isolation. Select voice isolation to filter out background noise. And once you do that, now every time you make a call, voice isolation will automatically isolate your voice and drown out background sounds. And it will help the person on the other end to hear you better even in the noisy environment. That's it. Hope this helps. If you have a question, you can drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips. And I'll catch you in the next video.